Yeah, Sai. This is Anjana and welcome to Shraddha in Sai. I would like to share a beautiful miracle with all of you. This miracle happened around 1.5 years ago. Suddenly, I started having a lot of stiffness and pain in my right thumb. There was a lot of pain in the base of my thumb, and the finger was getting very stiff, and I was finding it difficult to bend the finger. I could, even if I tried to bend the finger, I had to manually lift it up to make it straight again. And at that time, I just quite neglected the finger because I was so caught up with my little baby at home. My daughter was only 7 months old, and I was quite busy with all her baby duties. And then one day I had to write a shopping list for my husband. And when I picked up the pen to write the shopping list, I couldn't even bend my finger to hold a pen and to write. I couldn't even write a single word. And that is when I realized how bad my finger had become. It had become completely stiff and I was unable to even fold my finger. Then I called up my mom and I explained to her. I told her that my finger had become quite bad. The pain had worsened and it had become so stiff that I'm unable to even write with a pen or I couldn't even fold my finger. And then she told me that this could probably be a trigger finger. I asked her how did this happen, and she said there is no reason as such why this would happen, but it just happens. As far as she knew, there was no cure for a trigger finger, but she said as medicine is very advanced these days, they could have some kind of medication for it. So she asked me to go see a doctor. So then I went to a doctor and I showed him the finger. So he examined the finger and he confirmed that this was a trigger finger. He even opened up some images on his computer and he explained to me why there was pain and swelling in the base of my thumb and why my thumb was frozen and I was not able to even bend my finger. So he also said the same thing, that there is actually not much of remedy or cure for a trigger finger. Now, one option was that I could take some medication to try to reduce the pain or maybe some anti-inflammatories. And at that time, I was breastfeeding my daughter, so I couldn't risk taking any kind of medications which could pass through the milk and could affect her. So, a second option he suggested was that once I stopped breastfeeding, I would come back to the clinic and they could give me some steroid injections which might give a little bit of relief. But he said that the only way my thumb could regain its flexibility and movement was through surgery. I was so devastated and I came home and I completely broke down. I am an artist. I am a cake artist. I love doing things, anything that is related with arts and craft and anything that is to be done with my hands. And now I couldn't even hold a pen to write a single word. And I broke down in front of Baba and I told him that my daughter's birthday was coming up. I have made birthday cakes and dessert tables for hundreds of kids out there, and for my own daughter, I had planned this beautiful princess birthday party theme, and now I couldn't even bend my finger. I wouldn't be able to make any kind of decorations or the cake for her birthday. And I felt even more miserable because my whole career was in front of me, and me not being able to use the finger means that I won't be able to do what I like, my whole passion, and I would have to probably rethink what to do for my career. So I felt so bad and I didn't know what to do, and there was no real cure other than taking things like steroids and going for an operation. But from our past experiences, I knew for sure that with faith in Baba and Baba's Udi can definitely cure any kind of diseases. So I just completely left it to faith. I just told Baba that you must give me back the mobility in my finger, and I'm really so passionate about what I do, and I really need my finger back to get back to doing what I love doing the most. And then I started applying Udi on my finger, and slowly the pain started reducing and I started getting some movement in my finger. And around December, for my daughter's birthday, I still had little bit of stiffness and little bit of pain, but even with that pain and stiffness, I still went ahead and made all her cake decorations and the dessert table for her birthday. And I think this was a real testing time for me. And after that, and slowly my finger regained complete mobility, and the stiffness and the pain went down, and today I'm able to completely bend my finger and use my finger as before. I've started baking, I've started painting, I've started doing everything that I used to always love doing, and this is completely because of Baba's grace and the power of Udi. Likewise, no matter what disease you might be suffering from, just apply Udi and drink some Udi mixed in water, and definitely with faith and with time, your disease will be cured. Have full faith in Baba, Shraddha and Saburi. With time, everything will be okay. Likewise, even this virus will be eradicated completely with time, and those who are suffering will be cured very soon. Stay home, stay safe. Yes, I.